The years sped by. 1903, the first flight, followed by years of dangerous experimentation, culminating.
In the winter of 1903, humanity looked up and refused to stay on the ground. December 17th, Kitty Hawk, North Carolina. Ervil and Wilbur Wright. 12 seconds, 120 feet. The first controlled powered flight in history. A spark that would ignite the sky. Within 6 years, the skies over Europe were already roaring. 1909, Louis Blériot crosses the English Channel. 1911, aircraft drop bombs for the first time. By 1914, the world is at war and the airplane becomes a weapon. Fokkers and Sopwiths dance deadly ballets above the trenches. Manfred von Richthofen paints the clouds red. All-metal wings rise from Junkers drawing boards. In 4 short years, aviation grows claws. In 1919, Alcock and Brown conquer the Atlantic non-stop. 1927, a young man named Charles Lindbergh lands in Paris, and the world falls in love with flight. Giant airships circle the globe. The Douglas DC-3 turns air travel into a business. Then, in 1937, the Hindenburg burns, and the age of the rigid airship dies in flames. 1939, a Heinkel rocket engine roars. The jet age is born. 1942, the first practical helicopter lifts off. 1944, the Messerschmitt Me 262 streaks past everything a propeller ever dreamed of. By 1945, the atomic age and the jet age arrive together. 1947, Chuck Yeager breaks the sound barrier in the Bell X-1. 1958, the Boeing 707 shrinks the planet. 1969, Concorde tears across the Atlantic in under 3.5 hours, and in the very same year, Apollo 11 reminds us that aviation's final destination may not be Earth at all.
1986, Dick Rutan and Gina Yeager circle the world without a single drop of fuel added. 2004, Spaceship One touches the edge of space on private wings. 2016, Solar Impulse proves sunlight alone can keep an aircraft aloft for days. 2021, on a red planet 100 million miles away, a tiny helicopter named Ingenuity opens its rotors and becomes the first aircraft ever to fly on another world. Today, in 2025, more than 120,000 commercial flights lift off every single day. Electric airliners are certified and flying passengers. Urban air taxis are clearing their final hurdles. Sustainable fuel now powers routine transatlantic flights. And above us, reusable rockets land themselves like aircraft because the line between aviation and spaceflight has all but vanished. From 12 seconds over windswept sand to routine journeys across continents in hours to rotors spinning in the thin air of Mars, this is the story of flight. Not a destination reached, but a horizon that keeps moving. The sky was never the limit. It was only the beginning.
It's crashing! It's crashing!